Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create account on Asana. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to write the name and then we need to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see, now the website is here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this. So let's click on this and we need to open it. So as you can see, now the website is open. Now simply what we need to do, I'm going to cut this one and we have to click on the get started. And after that, we have to continue with Google. So I'm going to choose the continue with Google. And after that, we have to choose our email address. So I'm going to choose my email address. And now let's click on the continue. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it load. We have to wait for a few seconds, and after that, our account will be created. So as you can see, now we need to provide our full name here. And after that, if you want to upload your picture, you can also do that. Simply, we have to click on the continue, and then we have to choose your role. We have to choose our role, for example, manager. And then simply we have to choose something related to data design and engineering and education professional. And then let's click on the continue, and after that we have to click on the continue again. As you can see, now let's click on the what something you and team you are currently working on. For example, I'm going to design project. So let's write the design project, and then we have to click on the continue. As you can see, now we have to provide some of these basic steps. If you want to provide, you can also do that. Let's click on the continue again and continue. As you can see, now we have to choose that. For example, I'm going to choose the list like, and let's click on the continue again and then hit the continue. And as you can see, skip for now. So as you can see, now the Asana account is created. So in this way you can create your account on Asana. I hope you guys understand this video. Let's see you guys in the next video.